alpha size expert. Can you all hear me okay? Can you give me a big thumbs up if you can hear me? Yeah, excellent, well done. Now, you're going to have to excuse me a little bit today because I know I'm an elf and I have a little bit of a squeaky voice anyway. But I've been singing so many carols around the Christmas tree this month, I've started to lose my voice a little bit. But are you all okay understanding me right now? Yes or no? Oh, fantastic. I've got a big thumbs up off all of you. Whoop-de-doo. Okay, so today we've got a special task. Now, whilst we're doing the special task, I've got my naughty and my nice list. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on all of you to make sure that you're all behaving and doing what you're supposed to be doing during today's lesson. And I'm going to be checking the Santa cam with Santa when I go home tonight. So we're all going to be on our best behaviour with our amazing elf listening ears today. Yeah? Yeah, thumbs up, well done. Okay, now, I've been searching for Santa high and low all morning for him to join us in our alpha size session, but I can't find him anywhere. Between you and I think Santa is a little bit afraid to show himself today because this last month he's been a little bit overindulgent on the mince pies and the cookies, and he's had so many lists and letters of all the boys and girls all over the world that he hasn't even had time to get his 10,000 steps in. That's no good to us. We need Santa fit and strong to deliver his presents. So, that's where all of you come in. Can you help me get Santa ready to slay his Christmas present delivery this year? Can I get a big cheer if I say yes? Yeah! That's the spirit! That's the Christmas spirit! But first, we have to find Santa's hiding place. Now, I've been thinking of the places that I haven't checked yet. So, I made a little list and I'm thinking, he wasn't in his gingerbread bed earlier when I checked, because sometimes Santa tends to have a little bit of a lay-in and he can be a little bit lazy, especially this time of year because he's so busy. So he wasn't in his gingerbread bed. Where else could he be? Oh, Candy Cane Lane? No, I checked that a couple of minutes ago and he wasn't there then. Oh, he did mention something to me the other day that he was going to be going to the snow ball. But I think that was last night. He could be at Snowflake Lake. Do you have any idea where he could be? Come on, everybody, help me think. Oh, what about the Melt Inn? Brum-bunch. No, what? What's that? You can see him. You can also. Why didn't you say so earlier? Where is he? Wait. Where's Santa? Shh. Excuse me, Santa, but what in the holiday sprinkles are you doing hiding behind this tree? You thought it was a giant chocolate U-log. Santa, now is not the time to be thinking of chocolate cake. Now is the time to start alpha-sizing so that we can get you back to your snowball fighting weight. Now all these boys and girls here are waiting for you so that they can help you do it. So come on, Santa. It's time to...
Move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Okay, whoa, Santa. Hang on a minute now. You are far too eager to shake off these holiday Skittles. You really ready to go? Right, okay, come on then. You lot, you've got to now help me get Santa's butt into shape, ready to deliver his presents. Are we good to go? Give me a big thumbs up if you're ready. Yeah, okay, so what's really important to have before taking part in any exercise? Shall I give you a little clue? And don't worry if you haven't got one there, it's absolutely fine. But we need to keep some water to hand. Yeah, so if you need to, if you've got some there, take little sips of water throughout. And the other really important thing that we need to do first is warm up, yeah. And that's really important in the North Rhondda because the temperature here is pretty much the same as the North Pole. It is freezing. So we need to get our butts moving, ready for action. So we're going to play a little game to warm up and you've got to show me your best dance moves. But first, we need to show you what these dance moves are. You ready? Everybody ready? Okay, so our first move today is going to be the reindeer. Get your antlers ready. That's it, everyone. And we're just going to move from side to side on the spot. There's your reindeer. Now, unfortunately, some of the reindeers only have 3 legs. So if I say to you, 3-legged reindeer, the antlers go up and you have to hop on 1 leg. And if the leg gets a bit tired, then you can just switch to the other leg. That's fine. Okay, our next Christmas move is going to be the penguin. So, feet into position, heels together, toes face out, and fingers face out by the sides. And you're going to waddle around. Now, when you do this, really important, you brace your belly really tight. Little movement side to side, yeah? That's going to warm up all our abs. Your 4th, not your 2nd. Some elves can't count, children. You'll have to forgive me. Your 4th move is going to be the turkey. So, hands under armpits, flap your wings, and you've got to bob your head. And if you want to make some turkey noises while you're at it, go for it. The louder the better in North Rhondda. Okay, so let's just check we remember all of those first. Ranger. 3-legged reindeer. Penguin. And turkey. Okay, good stuff. Now, this one is my favourite. And I think it might be Santa's as well because he likes so many cookies and mince pies. But our next one is going to be Mrs. Claus. So, you've got your bacon tray. And you're going to turn to the person next to you. Santa, who's over there? And you're going to say to them, would you like a cookie? And then you're going to turn around the other way and face the other person next to you and say, would you like a cookie? That's the way. Okay, so our next move, we're going to feed the reindeers. Now this you've got to make really funky. You got your hands on your hips and your feet in the reindeer. And then you're changing hands once the one side gets a bit tired. Bend the knees. Make it really dancey. Okay, now The elves' favourite thing in the North Rhondda is to go skiing down the slopes. So get your skis on, and we're going to start skiing down the slopes. Bend your knees. Get really low. Go on. Down and up. Down and up. Well done, everybody. Okay. Another favourite game. To be honest, the penguins and the snowmen like playing this more than what the elves do. Because we're so small, we usually just end up with a snowball in the eye, and that's not very pleasant. So, we're going to pretend to throw our snowballs. So make a big one, and you throw it. Next one, throw it. We're going to just have to pretend like we've got a big mountain of snowballs already made, and you're going to pick it and throw it. Pick it and throw it. That's the way. Okay. Next thing, we've got to put our star on the tree. Now, as you can see, our star is already on the tree today. So you're going to have to pretend there's a star in front of you. It's fallen on the floor. You're going to bend down and put it up. Bend down, put it on the top of the tree. Bend down, put it on the tree. Bend down, put it on the tree. Fantastic. And what else did we have, Santa? Do you remember? Oh my gosh, your sack, Santa. Right, now careful now, watch your back, okay? Bend your knees carefully, pick it up, and you've got to try it. Yeah, see, this is why we need to get you back to your snowball fighting weight. Because this sack at the moment is a little bit heavy for Santa. So try it again, Santa. Brace your belly now, protect your back. You got to pick up your sack and throw it over your shoulder. Pick up your sack and throw it over your shoulder. How's Santa doing, everybody? I think I can hear him puffing already. You've got your work cut out for you today. Okay, we've got one more move. Santa, have a rest for this, Santa. Catch your breath a little bit. No, don't think you're escaping this exercise. Get your butt back here. Now look, you can't avoid these Christmas deliveries, Santa. It has to be done every year without fail. So, come on, put a brave face on, and let's do our last move so that all these boys and girls can help you get back to your snowball fighting weight. So our last one, everybody, we're going to ride our donkey. So take the donkey's reins, and you're going to, on the one foot, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, that's the way. Do you know what? I think all of these children have done so well doing this warm-up. I think we need to give it a go to some music. Do you all want to give it a go to some music? Yeah, me too. Okay. Oh, I love this song. Knees up on the toes. Let's start with the Ranger. Three-legged Ranger. Change legs. Penguins. And the other way. Turkeys. Mrs. Claus. Would you like a cookie? 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 That's it. Anybody said yes? Feed the Rangers. Come on, these Rangers have to have full bellies. It's not just Santa's. Oh, I don't know about you. I fancy skiing down the slopes. Chestnut, both push back. Oh, watch the flag. Snowball fight. as you can. Putting the star on the tree. Pick it up. Put it on the tree. Pick it up. Put it on the tree. Okay, Santa, you gotta get ready to carry your sack. Ready? Here we go, children. Pick up the sack, throw it over shoulder. Ride your donkeys. Come on, round we go. I'm on the little donkey. What's your donkey's name? Mine's Sid. Now let's see how much you remember. Rangers. Three-legged ranger. And change. Penguin. Turkey. Mrs. Claus. Would you like a cookie? 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 Feed the Rangers. Let's go for a ski down the slopes. Come on, Santa, bend your knees some more. Snowball fight. Come on, big strong shoulders. Star on the tree. Hey! Woo. Children, I don't know about you, but I'm puffing a little bit and I'm a bit sweaty too. Santa, are you a bit sweaty? Do you need a drink of water? I might need a drink of water. Children, if you need a drink of water, go get one quickly. I thought you didn't drink one, Santa. I'll just take mine then. Okay, so if we did that as best as we could, we should now be ready to really put Santa to the test. So everyone, we are going to do a Christmas circuit. Now, I think some of you might have done a Christmas circuit before in your PE class. So, if you've done a circuit class before, put your hand in the air. Who's done circuits before? Some of you have, some of you haven't. That's okay, because we're going to go through it all now anyway. Okay, so each circuit, you've got to listen carefully because I'm going to set a timer and we are going to be doing 20 seconds of exercise and 20 seconds of rest. Does that sound good to all of you? Now these exercises today, they're not just any exercise, they're special Christmas named exercises. I'm so excited. Santa, I need higher jumps than that, please. He's getting lazy already, children. Okay, so our first round, we've got 3 different exercises. Your first exercise is an angel air jack. Now, an angel air jack isn't a star jump. You've got to lift right up off the floor. And when you do it, you've got to take your arms and your legs wide like this. Show me your best angel air jack, everybody. That's it, and again, as high as you can. And we've got to do that for 20 seconds. Okay, I think you've all got that pretty well, yeah? Okay, so your second exercise is going to be tinsel twists. So, hang on a second. One of the naughty elves wants to whisper something in my ear. His name is Wren. He's the naughtiest one of all. Oh, Ren says he's a bit tired watching us. He feels sleepy already. So I'm just going to pop Ren down by here to sleep. And now we can just move this out of the way so that we've got lots more room to do our exercises. Oh, wait, hang on. Ava. Ava? Rudolph said he's been keeping a close eye on you and you've made his special list this year. So well done, Ava. Right, let's just wrap this away a second. Okay, so before we were interrupted, our second exercise, we've got tinsel twists. Now for the tinsel twists, you need to come down on the floor. Everybody take a seat. And you're going to lean your body back a little bit. So if I show you from the side, you're going to lean back a little bit. And this means you've got to brace all the muscles in your belly. And we're going to twist from side to side. And you've got to do that for 20 seconds. Now, we're going to stay on the floor for our third exercise. You've got snowy mountain climbers. So everybody needs to come on their hands and on your toes. That's it. Now, look. Wow, I'm surprised how well Santa's doing this. And he's shaking his butt while he's at it. Well done, Santa. And you're going to bring one knee in towards your chest and take it back. And then the other knee and take it back. And if you want to go a little bit faster, you can. Okay, everybody jump up. So, let me see who was listening so that I can add them to Santa's good list. So, who remembers what the first exercise was? I'll give you a clue. It starts with angel. Angel. Ajax. That's it. What was your second exercise? It was your tinsel twists. And your third exercise was your snowy mountain climbers. Right. Are we ready to rock and roll around the Christmas tree? Yes? Come on, children, I need to see your thumbs up and I need to hear you shouting loud. Are we ready? Ah, that's the Christmas spirit. Okay, 20 seconds, Angel Ajax. Keep going, as many as you can. Look at Santa, come on Santa, keep going. That's it, get them legs nice and wide. And stop. That's 20 seconds already. We've got 20 seconds rest. But we need to get on the floor for our second exercise. Quick. So leaning back, brace your belly tight. Hands together. Pretend like you're holding a candy cane. Let's twist side to side, side to side. Who can do the harder option and lift their feet up? Can you do that as well? How are you doing, Santa? Oh, come on, don't let your feet up. Okay, 20 seconds done. Take 20 seconds of rest. And now we need to do our snowy mountain climbers. On your toes, everybody. Let's go. Knee, knee, knee. So keeping your butts down and your hips nice and still. Breathe jump up, everybody. Woo! Wow. I think I could do with going outside and dipping my head in the snow after that. I am boiling. Are you all boiling as well? Okay, so we've done that once, but don't forget, Santa's not ready to deliver those presents on Christmas Eve yet, so we need to get him to do it all again. Do you think you've got enough energy to do it all again? Thumbs up if you have. Are we all ready to go again? Yeah, okay, so another 20 seconds each exercise. Get ready for your angel air jacks first. Ready? Let's go! 20 seconds of angel air jacks. Reach for the ceiling. And rest. Oh, come down to the floor ready. Tinsel twists are coming. Lean back. Hold your candy canes. I'm gonna hold you close. Wait for the beats. Let's go. Side to side. Christmas was cold and gray. Another holiday. Alone to celebrate. Then one day. Oh, done. Well done, everybody. One more exercise. On your hands and your toes. Ready for snowy mountain climbers. Remember, strong belly. And bring your knees in as far as you can. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Keeping your backs down. And if you need a rest, you can just drop to your knees and hold your plank. And jump on up. Woo! How are you feeling, Santa? Are all these children doing a good job so far? Yeah, I think Santa feels like he's getting the benefits of it, everybody. So, that round was to help build Santa's strength so that he can pick up all those presents. But we've got another round to go, and we've got 3 new exercises. Now, this next round is to help make Santa's waist a little bit smaller so that he can fit down the chimneys to deliver the presents. Because if you remember at the beginning, he was a little bit afraid that he wasn't going to fit down the chimney. So, our next 3 exercises. Let's just stop the music while we go over them. So we've got Santa squats. We're going to go down and up. Down and up. So you've got to push your butt back and then bring it up. And as you do it, you've got to keep your chest up as well. That's it, Santa. Keep lifting your chest a little bit higher. That's the way. So down and up. There's your Santa squats. Your second exercise, you've got reindeer kicks. Now you can do them slow or you can do them fast. It's up to you. Obviously, the faster you do them, the quicker Santa will deliver all the presents Christmas Eve. And that's what we want, really, isn't it? Yeah? And your last exercise is star jumps. And I think we all know what a star jump is. Out and in, reaching the hands up high. That's it. And just all your knees and toes turn out and not in. We want to push everything out to keep Santa's muscles nice and strong in his legs. when he needs to bend down and pick up the presents. So, let's just check your elf ears were listening. What was the first exercise? Do we remember? It began with Santa. Show me. Santa. Squats. Well done, everyone. So, Santa squats to start. Our second exercise was our ranger. Our ranger kicks, well done. And our third exercise was our star. Can you show me your star? Jumps. Fantastic. Right, I think we're ready to press play and start shrinking Santa's waist so we can fit down our chimneys. What do you think? Let's do it. In 3, 2, 1, Santa squats. Let's go. Down and up. Down and up. Oh, can I see some of you jumping as well? Are you doing jumping squats? Oh, excellent if you are. Hey! You can add a jump if you like. Well done, everyone. Take your 20 seconds rest. Who remembers the second exercise? It was ranger. Kicks, yeah? Okay, wait for it. Finish your rest. Let's go! Ranger kicks, ranger kicks, ranger kicks. So lean it back a little bit and kick the legs out in front. That's it, come on everybody, keep going. Let's build strong muscles. And rest, 20 seconds rest. The last exercise of the 3. Oh, what was it? Do we remember? Star. Jumps. Well done, everyone. Wait for the beeps. Let's go. So knees and toes point outwards. Coming nice and low in your legs. Oh, wow. Jump down. Well done, everybody. That was an amazing workout. How are you feeling, Santa? Do you need a drink? Santa, go and get yourself a little drink while I explain to all these children what we're going to do next. Right. Come here, everybody. I've got to whisper something to you while Santa isn't listening, okay? So, our next exercise, we've got to work on Santa's flexibility. Because between the mince pies and all the letters and lists that he's been getting, he's not been stretching at all. And I think with the workout that we've just done, he's going to be pretty sore tomorrow. So, we're going to take it into some Yuletide yoga. So everybody come forwards and we're going to learn some yoga exercises, elf style. Not Gangnam style, elf style. You ready? Okay. Okay. So, our first yoga exercise, we've got a Christmas tree pose. Now you've got to bring your feet together, stand nice and tall, and you're going to take your hands over your head, stretching all the way through your body, and then watch me. Once you're there, you've got to lean back a little bit to stretch all down the front as well. And that's our Christmas tree pose. So you go squeeze your butt under, push your hips forward, and stand nice and tall. Our second exercise, we're going to go from here into a fallen angel. And you're going to come up onto your toes. And you're going to bring your hands wide all the way back and down, lifting your chest. And that's your fallen angel. Now from there, you've got a North Star pose. You're going to bring all your weight into one leg. Open your arms out. And then you've got to try and balance on one leg. And I want to see who the ones are best at balancing. To be honest, I think Santa might win this one. He's doing pretty good so far. And then you're going to bring your feet together and you've got, oh, Santa! No! Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you sure it's just mince pies that you've had? Yeah? Okay, I'm taking your word for it. Right, so we're going to try it. Don't fall now, Santa. We're going to try it on the other side. So you're going to brace your belly tight and that's what's going to help keep you stable. Your next exercise, you've got snowboarder. You're going to take your legs wide and you're going to bring your weight over to one side. Now take a look. Is your knee in line with your ankle? And then you've got to tuck your tailbone under and you've got to reach your arms out. That's your snowboarding pose. And then we're going to change sides. So the other knee bends and the other leg is nice and straight. Well done, everyone. Now from there, we're going to take it into our polar bear. Now I'm going to show you from the side. Your hands are going to come down to your bent leg. And you're going to press your feet back and push your heels down. And this is your polar bear. Just imagine the polar bear walking through the snow like this. That's your polar bear. Now your next move is called red-nosed reindeer. You've got to point your Rudolph nose up to the ceiling. And you're going to do that by dropping your hips down and looking up. And that's your red-nosed reindeer. Are we all okay with that so far? Give me a thumbs up if we're all okay with that. Well done, good stuff. Now, we do have a sleeping children's pose. And I bet your teachers will love this one. But you're going to stay where you are on the floor. You're going to push your hips back. And you're going to reach your hands out in front. And you're going to rest your head down on the ground. Let me just check. Because Santa needs all of these children sleeping Christmas Eve. Because he cannot be seen. Otherwise, it just ruins the magic of Christmas, doesn't it? Oh, well done, everybody. Good stuff, good stuff. And then, once we've done that, you're going to bring yourself down to sit, crossing your legs, and we've got a Christmas prayer pose. You're just going to bring your hands together, lift through your spine, pull your shoulders down, and that's where we're going to leave it. So, we're going to do all of that again to some lovely music. Santa, are you feeling flexible? Yeah, Santa's ready for everybody. So let's do this.
Lights are getting turning on.
Oh, give it a roll around to start. Release your ankles and your wrists. Take a big breath in. We're going to come into our Christmas tree pose. Slowly breathe out. Fallen angel. Lifting onto the toes. Hands come wide. Lifting your chest. And hold it there. Okay, everybody land your heels. North Star pose this way. Weight comes into one leg. Open the arms out. And turn. Stepping in. Changing sides. Arms open the other way. Land. Feet come wide, snowboarders. Knee over the ankle. Arms. Breathe up. Let's change sides. Okay, Santa? Okay, let's try our polar bear. Hands come down, push your head up, and push your heels down to the ground. Roll it through to your red-nosed reindeer. Push it to the tops of your feet and look up. Children sleep in pose, pushing it back, reaching it in front. Just take big deep breaths. Roll it around. Tuck your toes. Lift your knees. Walking your feet in and standing nice and tall. Oh, everybody, we forgot one last pose. We forgot our prayer hands. It's okay, do you know what? Stand up, hands together. Take a big breath in through your nose. Slow breath out through your mouth. Now, give yourself a big clap because I think Santa was really impressed with that. And in fact, I think he was so happy that we need to finish this session on a high note. Quite literally a high note. And we're going to do that with some Mariah Carey! Show me your best dance moves, everybody! Let's make it up!
For Christmas, there is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Ready? We're going to improvise, just go for it. Wait for the beat to drop. Here it comes. Here we go. Come on, Santa.
I don't want a life for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking up on the fireplace.
Merry Christmas, everybody. I'll see you next year. Say bye-bye, Santa. Give us